Now students, we are going to discuss another method of solving any rational function or product of two functions in linear inequalities. That is wavy curve method. I have taken one example, and with the help of that example we will try to discuss all the cases of wavy curve method in linear inequalities. First case I have taken, x minus 1 upon x minus 4 is greater than 0. Here the critical points will be x equal to 1, x is equal to 4. How we get critical points? Simply the two factors that you are having, one is x minus 1, other one is x minus 4, equate them to 0. So you will get critical points as x equal to 1 and 4. After that, what you have to do, you have to make a number line stretching from minus infinity to infinity. And on that number line, you will locate the two critical points that you have obtained. So 1 and 4 has been located. After that, you will make the intervals. And with the help of these intervals, now on these intervals, what you say, we are having x in both the cases as positive. So what we will do, we will start from the rightmost part as positive, because the total function means the values of x, the variable x is positive in both the cases. There is no other sign, it means it is a positive sign. Positive sign means we will start from right end as positive. This is very important. We will start from right end positive. After that, alternately we will make negative positive, means first is positive, second is negative, then positive, and so on. So like here we are having only 3 intervals, so it will be positive, negative, positive. Now what is the answer? So our question was x minus 1 by x minus 4 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. So what we will do, from this number line we will select the positive intervals. So your solution set will be, first positive interval is this, minus infinity to 1. So I have taken minus infinity comma 1 open interval. Union, you know about union, combining the solutions. 4 comma infinity. And this is the answer for the first part. Now second case. Suppose if x minus 1 upon x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0 means we can have the fraction as 0 also, and this can happen only when the numerator is equal to 0. As I told you in the last class also, कि denominator we don't have to take ever as 0. So here numerator can be equal to 0 but denominator will not be equal to 0, means 4 will not be included in the solution. So solution set will be x belongs to minus infinity comma 1, and 1 will be in the closed interval. Union 4 comma infinity, C4 in the open interval. Now third case. Third case is if x minus 1 upon x minus 4 is less than 0. So less than 0 means now the fraction is negative. See, the whole process will remain the same. Getting the critical point, doing the number line work, that will be same. Final answer, solution set for less than 0 means negative. So your negative interval was what? 1 to 4. So means your solution set in this case will be x belongs to 1 comma 4. Now we will come to the fourth case. So in the fourth case I have taken x minus 1 upon x minus 4 less than equal to 0. So here less than equal to 0 means x equal to 1, but x cannot be equal to 4. So your solution set will be, the taken interval will be negative. Interval that we are going to take will be negative. Negative means 1 comma 4. But there is a change. Here 1 will be included, 4 will not be included. Means x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 4. So this is called as wavy curve method, which we can apply in class 11th linear inequalities for solving any rational function.